In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your desktop screenshot looks cool by turning that into something like this one. Most of the times, you need to include screenshot on your blog post, but a raw screenshot doesn't look that great and professional, right? So head over to Screely.com and drop your screenshot over here. It's done. Now make some changes according to your need and just download it, man. It's free. You can even edit the picture itself by clicking on this button. And if you are on Chrome, you can download their Chrome extension as well. So what it does, if you are on a web page, you can click on this extension and it will generate a beautiful looking screenshot of that page, which you can use it in your blog post, YouTube videos and anywhere you asked for. This tool is made by this awesome person. You can follow him at June_W on Twitter. And June, if you're watching this video, thanks brother. Thank you for making such a great tool. Speaking of following, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So that is it for this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then,